It is that time of the month again where we go ahead and start our November tray. So I am super excited about November's tray, you guys. I got some really good ones on here and I do have a couple repeats, so let's go ahead and get started. The first fragrance we are going to be bringing to the tray is my Van Cleef & Arpels Orchidee Vanille. You guys, this is one of my all-time favorite fragrances. I think I got it a couple years ago and I have been obsessed with it ever since, you guys. It is so beautiful. It's a gorgeous vanilla, okay? It is a beautiful, yummy vanilla, and I think it has some lavender in here as well, but she's so pretty and so unique. I don't have anything quite like this one, so yeah, I cannot wait to play with her and bring her to the tray. All right, a fragrance that I didn't really get a chance to play with last month is going to be Acro Bake. I literally wore this like one time and I just didn't wear it. So I don't know why I just didn't reach for it, but we are going to make sure we reach for her this month. So I wanted to go ahead and put this nice lemony gourmand on the tray. This next fragrance is a oldie but a goodie. She was discontinued, but she's back out in the stores. This is Juicy Couture Secret. I don't know if that's actually how it's pronounced, but yeah, it's this one. I have had this one for some years now, and my juice is super dark. I was savoring her because she was limited edition. She was gone for so long. But this is a really nice juicy scent. I only have like 2 or 3 juicy fragrances in my collection that I really enjoy that's not like super juvenile, and I feel like this is one of them. Even though the bottle is giving a little juvenile, I still really like it with the little drips. It's kind of gourmand for a juicy fragrance, so we're gonna bring her to the tray. As soon as it gets a little chilly outside, I couldn't wait to bring this one out. This is my Victoria's Secret Tease, and I don't have a lot of Victoria's Secret fragrances that I really love. This is definitely one of them. This came out a few years ago. It was that chocolatey berry fragrance, and a lot of people were saying they didn't get the chocolate. I got the chocolate, so I'm happy about that. From VS, and that is another chocolatey berry scent. Amazingly together. I'm bringing back to the tray from last month is a Burberry Goddess, and it's because I only wore this one like once or twice, and I want to just show her a little bit more love. The last time I wore her, I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna play with her. So we're gonna go ahead and bring her back to the tray. Another oldie but a goodie is going to be my Valentino Donna Born Aroma. I have not worn this one in a while. This was my very first Valentino fragrance. I still have it. The juice is juicing in here. This is the smaller bottle. This is the 1.7 fluid ounce. So yeah, I want to go ahead and pour her out and use her. All right, another old fragrance I'm going to be pulling out is my Kilian Princess, and as you can see, I have the older bottle. Honestly, I hate this bottle, so I don't really use it that much, but I'm definitely going to try to get some usage out of this. I hope to use this up soon. Maybe not this year, I don't know, maybe next year, but I wanted to use this up soon and get the newer bottle. Can't do it right now, but yeah, definitely want to use this up. She got a little spice to her, so I wanted to put her on the tray. My next fragrance, I have 2 from this house. This is going to be from Mix Bar, and this one is Whipped Almond. I really never wear this one. I bought this a while ago, maybe a couple years ago, a year or 2, and I never wear it, so I'm gonna bring her to the tray. Again, from Mix Bar, we are going to bring Vanilla Bourbon, another one. I have used this one, but I don't know, I just don't ever reach for these, so I'm gonna make it a point of reaching for these this month. We have a new Earth fragrance. I don't know if I ever did a video on this one, I cannot remember, but this is a sniff fragrance. This is Hotcakes. Y'all, this smells so good. It is a gourmand's drink. You can't get no more gourmand than pancakes and syrup. So pour her out for fall. So we're running back my Le Monde Gourmand fragrance. This one is going to be Pumpkin Creme, and I really enjoyed this one last month, so I wanted to go ahead and get a little bit more usage out of this one because October, November, the only time I'm going to be wearing like pumpkin scents, so I wanted to get more usage out of my pumpkin. So I'm bringing her back to the tray. as I'm pulling out my Peach Delicious, I forgot. But this one is from last year. I did talk about this one in a review. I will have it linked. I can't remember if this is still available. Honestly, I do not know. But this is a peach cobbler type scent, honestly. Like, it's really yummy and delicious. And I mean, what fragrance? It's November. Thanksgiving, gotta bring that to the tray. So yeah, you guys, this is my tray for this month. Now, I did clean off my dresser, but it got super dirty all over again. So these are the fragrances we're gonna be playing with, as well as I have some body care over here. Some of this is in my project Use It Up. Some of this is just over here because I want to play with it. Then over here, outside of my oils and such, we have some fragrances. Okay, so let's see what fragrances we have. So we have a bunch of minis from Heaven Scent from Shannon, and then I have a couple of the Brown Sugar Babe oils right here. These are minis that my friend gave me. I have some Heaven Scent from Shannon oils back here. I have a vanilla musk oil back here, and another Heaven Scent from Shannon. And then I have two fragrances from the Sand and Fog. I have a Lemon Sugar and I have Innocence. So I have those. And then this doesn't really belong here, but this is my Fleur Missing Persons. I love that. Over here, I have a few new fragrances that I put in here to use. I need to move this stuff. I have my Rare by Rare Beauty, which y'all already know smells like Burberry Goddess, okay? And then we have my Pistachio Glaze by BBW, Midnight Amber Glow by BBW. I have my Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One, because I'm probably going to be pulling her out next month, so I wanted to just pull her out a little bit. This is my Killian Princess. I don't know what happened. It got wet or something, so that is why it's so smudged, but we're going to work on using that. I also have my Nest Madagascar oil in here. I have a fragrance from Juliana's Perfume. This is Sicilian Heart. I forgot what this is a dupe for, but it's that Lemon Gourmand. So that fragrance. And then the last one I have in here is my Skylar's Banana Candy. And I don't know why I put that in there, but yeah, that is it. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That is everything that I'm going to be playing with for this month. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye guys.